Smart movers, today I come up with another wonderful topic, that is threads. What is threads and how to use it? I'm going to show you in this video.
Mark Zuckerberg announcing 10 million downloads in its first 7 hours.
Facebook's parent company Meta released a new social media platform overnight that some are calling a Twitter killer. It's called Threads and it links to your Instagram account.
People are really excited about Threads. They are loving it. It's been really easy to access because you already port your followers over and you're following over.
At least 10 million people signed up for Threads in just the first 7 hours of launching.
So first of all, Thread is the fastest growing social media platform created by Meta or Mark Zuckerberg. This is the sister company of Instagram and Facebook, released in July 2023. This platform considered a more personal platform. To use Threads, you will need to create an account and connect it to your Instagram account. Once you have created an account, you can start sharing text, photos, and videos with your close friends. Posts are only visible to the Threads friends, and users can choose to share their location with their friends. This is new. Threads also includes features such as moments. This feature allows users to share photos and videos that disappear after 24 hours, and direct messaging is another feature. Here are some of the steps on how to use Threads. First of all, you need to download the Threads application from App Store or Google Play. Search exactly Threads from Instagram. Then sign in. Launch the Threads app and sign in with your Instagram account. If you don't have an Instagram account, you will need to create one before using the Threads. Third, close friend list. This is important. Threads automatically synchronize with your Instagram account and creates a close friends list based on your Instagram close friends list. You can also add or remove friends manually with this app. Status updates. Threads allow you to choose your status that only your close friends can see. Messaging. To start a conversation, tap on a friend's profile picture. In the main screen, you can see text, message, photos, videos, and more. You can also share context directly from your camera or camera roll. Auto status. Threads allow you to have the option of auto status that use your device location and movement to automatically update your status. Notification and privacy. Customize your notification preference and privacy setting in the app to control how and when you receive notification and who can see your activity. Camera and stories. Threads has a dedicated camera mode that allows you to capture and share photos or videos quickly. It also integrates with Instagram stories, allowing you to share content directly to your close friends' stories. It's cool. Finally, Threads is a new social media platform. It's still growing. If you would like to shift to Threads, this is a very good time. Shift now, because Meta or Mark Zuckerberg try to promote people to have more friends. I'm working on another video that is a deep study on Meta, Facebook, Instagram, overall on Mark Zuckerberg. Stay tuned for that.